These are two red and blue guns. Let's load it up first. This isn't fun. Put it aside. It's a jet gun. And a duckling. Try putting the bullet in too. Whoa, this is pretty awesome. I give this one an 8. What's next? What kind of gun is this? Do you know? Let's set it up and see. And the silencer. Put that on too. Put this little piece on too. I see. It's an m416. I am going to test its power. I felt the recoil. This gun is very accurate. It's really great. I decided to take it home. Let's look at the next one. Looks like a sniper rifle. It still looks good, but it's a little too small. Put it together first. This is an AWM. How about trying power? This one's a 6. What's this gold weapon? Whoa! Weapons and tattoos. He looks so cool. Put this scope on. And he gave me a puck. You don't need it. Put it back. It's pretty accurate. And a pair of goggles. This one looks like a revolver. Great! Whoa! Golden pistol! This can't be a desert eagle. Silencer. Forget it. Look at the final weapon. This is a really big thing. There's a scope and a laser aiming transmitter. It's a shoulder grenade gun. Great! I really like this weapon. Well, that's all for today's share. Give it a like.